welcome to our 5th Kotlin tutorial. And in this tutorial I'll be talking about Kotlin variables. So variable in any programming language is used to store any type of value. So we can say that variable is a named memory location which can store value of different data types. So now in Kotlin programming language there are two ways to declare variables. The first one is by using the keyword var and by using the keyword vol. So now if I type var and then the name of the variable, which is for example marks, and equal sign and then 12. So now here marks is the name of the variable and we have used the keyword var to declare our variable marks. So now in Kotlin you do not have to specify it is not necessary to specify the data type of the variable. So when you are assigning 12 to this variable marks, it means that this variable is an integer variable. Now if I use vol and then the name of the variable, for example country is the name of my variable, and then I'm going to assign some value. For example, I am going to assign Germany. So now as Germany is written in double quotation marks, so it is quite clear that this variable country is of string data type. Now what is the difference between this var and the vol keyword? So this var keyword is used when you want to change the value of the variable later in your program. For example, if I type marks equals 13 and there is no error, so you can change the value of the variable which is declared by using the keyword var. And if I try to change the value of the vol variable, which is country, and if I type any country like America, and here it underlines the variable, the name of the variable. So vol is used when you do not want to change the value of the variable. So we can say that this is a constant variable. This is a constant, sorry. Now to print the values of these variables, you have to type print line, and then inside the parentheses we will have double quotation marks and then the dollar symbol. So after this dollar symbol you will write the name of the variable that you want to display on the output screen. Now run the program and here we have 13 on the output screen. And if you want to print the value of the variable country, again you will have to type dollar symbol and then country, and it will print the value of the variable country. Now run the program and you have 13 and then Germany. So the updated value of the marks variable is printed on the output screen. And here if you do not use the dollar symbol, the name of the variable will be printed itself. For example, if I remove the dollar symbol from this country and also from marks, then run the program and you will have first of all marks and then country. So in this tutorial we have used Kotlin variables and we have declared Kotlin variables using two different keywords. The first one is var and the second one is vol. So var is used when you want to change the value of the variable in your program, and vol is used when you do not want to change the value of the variable in the program. So thank you guys for watching the video and I'll see you in the next tutorial.